Today, we're looking at one of the most exciting Grand Seiko releases of 2025, the Spring Drive UFA Ice Forest SLGB005, a limited edition stunner in ever-brilliant steel with a gradient purple dial. Earlier this year, at Watches and Wonders, Grand Seiko unveiled its brand new ultra-fine accuracy caliber, UFA for short, a nod to the historic VFA very fine adjusted models of 1969. This new Spring Drive 9 RB2 movement is GS's most precise yet, rated at an incredible ±3 seconds per month. It's compact, it's thin, and it brings Spring Drive's signature smooth glide to a whole new level of accuracy. The SLGB005 keeps the elegant modern Evolution 9 silhouette 37 mm across, 44.3 mm lug-to-lug, and just 11.4 mm thick, but swaps titanium for ever-brilliant steel. This brighter, more corrosion-resistant alloy adds a satisfying heft on the wrist. The star of the show, though, is the Ice Forest dial, now in a subtle gradient purple inspired by frost-tipped trees at dawn. Zaratsu-polished hands and grooved hour markers complete the crisp, high-contrast look. The bracelet matches the ever-brilliant steel case with a 3-fold clasp and 18-karat gold medallion. Unlike the titanium version, this limited edition skips the new micro-adjustment clasp, but everything else, from 100-meter water resistance to sapphire display, back with power reserve indicator, makes it a versatile daily wearer. Limited to 1,300 pieces worldwide, the Grand Seiko Spring Drive UFA Ice Forest SLGB005 will be available in November 2025 at around €11,000. If you love Grand Seiko's nature-inspired dials and crave cutting-edge accuracy in a compact case, this purple Ice Forest edition is one to watch.